What's up, everybody? It's your girl DonneshaRashawna, and I'm back with another video. So I seen this inspirational picture on Facebook. I'm gonna post it right here. Now, instead of me doing the twist at the end, I decided to just keep the braids at the end of each ponytail, and instead of the zigzag in the back, I just decided to keep it straight. Because for one, I'm not that good at doing zigzag. Now this hairstyle took me all day, literally because we kept taking breaks because I was so tired, my back was hurting, I had to keep sitting down. And then I had to cook dinner, and then, you know, I'm also a mom of 2 other kids, so I had to take care of them, and it was just a lot going on. So this literally took me all day. Which normally it only would have took me about 2 hours to do this. Now I normally use the red container of Shine and Jam Braid Magic, but I didn't really like how it worked in her hair, so I went to the store and grabbed her some braiding gel. I'll post a link in the description box below. But it worked so good, and I've seen a lot of reviews on it. It said that it left like the hair really sticky and greasy, and once you get to the end to see how it turned out, it's so perfect for her hair type, and I recommend you guys getting it. Alright, so as you can see, I was done with the first side, and then also for the second side, you just kind of continue to do the same thing. Now, I love braiding, but I hate parting, so don't judge me, y'all. So this is where we took a break. I had to sit down, y'all. My back was literally killing me. I had to sit down, but right here, I'm just doing the front. And this is how it turned out. Super cute. I added some beads. She loved it. I loved it. So freaking cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I'll see you on my next one. Peace.